Pop out, roof up, top down, windows, tinted. Out now. Now I'm more icy. Now the first trying to bite me. Whoa, and my fists are too.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I am going to be demonstrating how to achieve this high top ponytail. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and to subscribe. So the first thing I am doing, I already have my ponytail, a small ponytail parted out in the top. I am parting it out. And I am adding the track around it. I glue it and then I add the track around. And I'm going to continue to do that all the way until I get to a certain point. Please ignore my face expressions because I make a lot of those when I'm doing my hair. I don't know why. I be so focused, but I do. As you can see, I am wrapping a rubber band around. That's just to secure it as I go and to keep the hair out of the way as I glue hair around. So I'm adding a rubber band, but I remove it once I add the track, another track. You'll see as I'm doing it. So I am now removing that rubber band out, and then once I remove that rubber band, I'm going to part out another section of my real hair and add another track around that, and I'm going to continue that process until a certain point. Now that I'm done applying tracks all the way around, what I'm going to do is take my front of my hair and push it back and start spritzing it in. And then I'm going to just only add tracks in the back. now that I am done adding tracks throughout, I'm going to put all of this hair into a ponytail. I want to make sure that the ponytail is nice and neat because that is going to be your finished ponytail. So make sure that you spritz it nice and neatly. You can use a comb or a brush. Make sure it is thoroughly flat ironed all the way around. So I am doing my ponytail using spritz. I recommend not to use pump it up, anything but pump it up, because pump it up will have your hair turning white and it will be all on your face. It's messy. So I am using a spritz and using a blow dryer so that it will dry very fast. So the hair was a little thin to me, so I ended up wrapping some more hair around it, just using a hairpin. No, I did not glue this hair down. I just simply wrapped it around the ponytail, and you'll see the process of how I did it. So this is the final look. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, please subscribe, and share this video. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys.
I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that